sure? Did the shutter thing open?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to take the wheel off a model 125 Cub Cadet with the steering wheel puller adapter profiled inside to handle 5 different wheels. This particular side will fit on the 125. Tuck it right in. It's right in there snug. On this model you do have to remove the hydro lever, which I did. And the hub goes back together with these machine screws. Yeah. Make sure the screws are snug. Hold the collar together. Alright, now what I want to do on this one, I don't know if it's ever been off or not, but I'm actually going to peen the shaft. Can you see that?
Yep.
Oof. This is, oh, that's lovely. Okay, don't do that. This is not recommended, but if you're not fighting some resistance, it's just too easy. So we'll mess up the shaft. Then, if your shaft is messed up or you just beat it with a hammer, you got to run a drill bit in there. 3/8 the original size. And then the puller adapter comes with the steel button that fits in there. That would protect your threads if they weren't already destroyed. And then I've got this universal puller. You can use a regular harmonic balancer puller. Anything like that. This one's actually much stronger than the sand cast ones. We're going to put in the 3/8 bolts. They're in far enough. Have to be screwed in pretty far, because if the wheel's stuck on there good, we're going to be putting a lot of force on them. Down there. Okay, that's the basic setup there. Snug that up. It can be used with an impact puller, an impact gun, but I'm just going to do it with a ratchet. Pressure on it. And since we're not hammering on it, we're not destroying the steering box. Yeah, I don't think this one's been off. Okay, and that is all there is to it. With the damaged shaft, and if I hadn't hit the poor wheel with the hammer, we'd have had an undamaged wheel, and it's off.